Hello guys, finally we have received a very good stable iOS update, and in this update so many issues are fixed and so many improvements has been done. I have been using the 14.3 update from past 2 weeks, and so far this update has been really impressive. The overall performance, stability and everything has been improved in this update. Now let's find out what are those improvements in today's video. Let's begin. Now the first thing I want to talk about is related to the connectivity, and the connectivity issues has been fixed in this iOS 14.3 update. Now after updating to the iOS 14.3, the call quality and the network reception has been really improved in this update, and I have never faced any call drops after this update. If you guys know, then in this update Apple has updated the modem firmware for the iOS 14.3 and it is really doing well. Now apart from the network related issues, Apple also fixed some of the issues related to the Bluetooth, and if you had any issues with your Bluetooth connection, then those issues are fixed in this iOS 14.3 update. If you are still facing any connectivity issue after updating to iOS 14.3, then just do this. Go to your setting, then go to privacy, then tap on location services, then go to system services, then just turn off the location access for networking and wireless as shown in this video. Just turn off, and after 1 minute just turn it back on. This would resolve any connectivity issue for your device. Additionally, you can reset all the network settings by going to your setting, then going to general, then tap on reset. Inside that, just tap on reset network setting and follow the steps, and after that you will definitely see some improvement in terms of connectivity for your device. Now in iOS 14.3 the performance has been improved and it is well optimized now. The app opening and loading works faster without any issues. So if you had any issues in terms of app opening and loading, that is fixed. Now in terms of RAM management also, this update is really good, and even when you keep multiple apps open in the background, it keeps them in the background. It does not kill the apps. After this update, I tried to play Call of Duty Mobile with highest graphic setting and with highest frame rate, and the game was running smooth. There were no lags or frame drops while gaming. Like the iOS 14.3 gaming, the iPadOS 14.3 gaming is also fantastic. I tried to play Call of Duty Mobile in the iPad Air 4 with highest graphic setting and with highest frame rate, and the game was able to run smooth. There were no lags or frame drops while gaming. Even in this update, the thermal performance has been improved, so the device does not get heat up much when you play for long hours. So this update is really good for gaming. In terms of battery life also, this update is really good, and the battery life has been improved after updating to iOS 14.3. In this update they have fixed the battery drain issue which was draining your battery. Now if you see my battery statistics, I have 96% of battery health and it is running under the peak performance capability. Now if you see my battery statistics of last 10 days, then here I used almost 7.5 hours and I used 75 to 80%. So on a moderate usage you will get 8 to 9 hours of screen on time in iPhone 11, and on a high usage definitely you will see a battery life of 6 to 7 hours, which is very good in terms of battery life. Also they have fixed the battery drain issue in this update, and after updating to iOS 14.3 the ideal battery drain is minimal and it is far better than the iOS 14.2 update. So in terms of battery life, the iOS 14.3 is very good and you will see improvements in terms of battery life in your mobile. Now let's look at the battery life in the iPadOS 14.3, and I use this iPad daily, and if you see I used 3 hours and it consumed almost 40 to 45%, and here I used almost 5 hours and it consumed almost 50%. So overall the battery life in iPadOS 14.3 is very good and it is better than the iPadOS 14.2. So overall, the 14.3 update is a very good update and you should definitely update for better performance, battery life and connectivity. That's all I have for the 14.3 review. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, then give a like and also subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.